Alright, so I have a saltwater tank, but I've been seeing ridiculous prices for lighting elements, and I think I finally found one that is affordable and everybody can have some fun with. So without further ado, let's begin. So basically, this thing comes with an instruction manual. It comes with the lighting assembly fully assembled, and it also comes with a wire that has a timer and an AC adapter attached, so you guys don't have to go out and buy anything extra. It also comes with screws, it comes with a wrench, and it also comes with 2 arms that you can use to mount this thing directly above your aquarium. So now I'm going to show you guys how to use this thing. So basically, this switch comes with 4 buttons. The first button is a control for white light, the second button is a control for blue light, the third button is a 8, 10, and 12 hour timer, and the last button that says M is a manual control for the lights to be on and off. And basically those channels are divided by white and blue, and so channel 1 is white and channel 2 is blue. And make sure that those wires are tightly connected together, because if one of them is disconnected, then one channel might not work. So plugging in is simple. Just connect to an AC outlet and you should be good to go, and press and hold down M for 2 seconds and the light should turn on. So this light has 2 channels. It has white and it has blue, and it also has the ability for you to mix these channels, so both of those 2 lighting groups can combine and shine at the same time. And one thing that I also like about this light is that it falls within the parameters that most SPS, LPS, and soft corals enjoy. And it also has brightness control, so that you can control brightness, and it has very good power distribution, over 24 inches below the light over open air. And so turning off is easy. Just hold the M button for 2 seconds and it'll shut off no matter what channel it's on. Alright, so now it's time to assemble the arm. And so basically, I assemble this thing a little bit different from the way the manual said to do it. I basically put the mounting bracket for that attaches to the glass in the opposite direction, because of the way I have my tank set up. And I think, you know, you guys can do it whatever way you want, but that's just the way I did it. So without further ado, I'm gonna be quiet now and let you guys see how to do this properly, and I will see you guys on the other side. Alright, now it's time to mount the bracket in place. Gently slide the metal piece on the inside of the tank, and gently place the bracket on top of the glass, and fasten the bolts very, very gently, ever so gently together, and make sure that you don't over tighten. And so this is what your finished result should look like. And now basically I wasn't expecting this light to be so supportive, well, the bracket to be so supportive of the light's weight, because this thing does weigh quite a bit. But as you can see, the brackets do their job very well, and I don't see any breaking, I don't see any problems, I don't see any signs of stress. So, you know, it looks really nice. and the lights look even better in the tank as well. I started seeing almost immediate results after placing this light overhead, as some corals that I never saw open up before, they started opening because I guess apparently they're getting the proper light spectrum. Because, you know, all the corals that are photosynthetic will react to light if they're given light in the right parameters. So, you know, that's a plus. And so basically, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below and share this video for anybody else who might be interested in, you know, in getting into reefing and trying to find a light that's right for them. And, you know, if you guys don't want to spend too much money, the NICREW HyperReef 30 is a great solution for anybody with a small or a large tank that's looking to get a decently priced LED reef light that's going to grow coral, that's going to make your tank look fantastic for a very, very low price. So once again, thank you guys and happy fish keeping.